selfie. Do you want to join our squad?
Yeah.
Do you want to cheer with us?
Yeah.
You're going to need both hands though.
Let's do one hand.
Okay, just do one. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Give us an L.
L.
Give us an O.
O.
Give us an, wait, how do you spell S?
S. S.
S. Give us an E.
E.
Give us an R.
R.
What's that spell?
Loser!
You're smart, huh?
Yeah.
See, when you get to the surgeon, right, and he asks you what you want to donate, you tell him you want your brain, okay? Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So you should go try the pies. They have sake bottoms.
Okay, lovely.
So you have a horrible evening.
We will do.
And we'll see you later.
Bye-bye.
You won't see us though, because the doctor will have your eyeballs. Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Paul.
Half the price. It's called the arse banger. No?
No.
Fine, if that doesn't do it for you. How about the tiddler? For your speed, yeah, that's all, yeah.
Hello, my dear.
Yeah, oh my God.
We got the
Can
ready
we
breast
put them on you, sir?
The breast for me.
Yeah, yeah. And then grab hold of one
Yeah, that's it. Get him up there.
and say, I felt a right tit at Scream Factory. Pies and ties. Get that in though. Gotta get pies and ties in. Pies and ties.
I felt a right tit at Scream Factory.
Yeah. Pies and ties. Get that in, sir. There's only one job,
Pies and
sir.
pies.
That's it, that's
Yeah,
it.
yeah. And by the way, ask them if they got their health and safety certificate. They haven't
Yeah,
got it.
yeah.
That's
We
another
have
year.
ours.
Another
Well,
year. Another year that they haven't got their health and
There's
safety
ours.
certificate. There's ours.
Yes, yes. Signed by Star, we're getting themselves.
Nice. That should be on the wall.
Ah, yes, yes,
Should be on
yes.
the wall.
Yes.
Yeah. Very disgusting.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
You look like a lad who loves a good one. There we go. A new one. It's called the Mexican stamp.
So good afternoon. We have another daytime video because, of course, after we left Psychopath, we went racing down to Scream Factory. Scream Factory is about an hour and 15 minutes away from Psychopath. It's down in Redcar in Teesside. Now, we've been visiting Scream Factory for years and we absolutely love it here. This is a real family passion project. One thing I will say, having come straight from Psychopath, it was amazing how, after saying how crude and sweary Psychopath was, which worked for the Geordies, to only come an hour away and for Scream Factory to be very polite. I mean, there's still lots of, you're going to get gutted, we're going to rip your, your soul out or eat your brains and all those sort of things. But there was absolutely no swearing at all. Now, Scream Factory is run by a family team. They're very, very passionate about what they do. They've got a lot of experience in doing this. A lot of effort is put into their attraction. Scream Factory, for those who don't know, is a single tour. When you start the Terror Tour, you go all the way around. It takes about 45 minutes to an hour to do about 8 different scenes, and every year they change the scenes around. The big thing for this year was a very, very big medical hospital section, and that looked beautiful. That looked like a genuinely run-down, bloodied hospital. There was blood everywhere. There was like horrible bodies. I was lucky enough that I got to see it twice because I got all the way to the end and one of the actors picked me out of the group and put me through a door and put me back at the start of it again. So I had to do the whole thing again on my own, which actually wasn't a problem at all because I was really enjoying the sets and looking at everything. When I got back to that same actress again, I basically ran through that room to get away from her because I thought, I'm not going through another time. And I then had to quickly whiz through the zombie scene and the graveyard scene to actually catch up with my group after that. We were with a fantastic group, 4 young guys, or 4 young people, and the actors were just picking on them, picking on us. At one point, to just delay, because we'd caught up with a group in front, the hillbillies decided to get all the men to stand on a wall with our hands above our heads on the wall and twerk for the young girl that was in our group. And it was really funny, and everyone sort of enjoyed that. The actors at Scream Factory, it's really interesting. You don't see young teenagers, young, excitable teenagers. They are all quite old, quite mature, some my age plus, very tall, very large people. Scream Factory have a really good knack of getting very intimidating actors. And throughout all the scenes, certainly the butchers, the cannibals, the clowns are throwing themselves all around. There's just a lot going on. It ends with a not a hooded maze, but a goggled maze, and there was a lot of fun there. They're not supposed to touch, but we had sort of things put in our ear and tickled a few times. When you come out of the main walkway, you then have there's a fire area that was built about 4 or 5 years ago. There's live entertainment, there's DJs, there's roaming characters. The roaming characters were really active. The guy with the ice creams, we spoke to him at the end of the night. He must have been exhausted. He was doing hill kicking all the way around the night. The live actors, the butcher and the butcher's wife, who used to be inside the maze, they're outside now, and they're great fun. We must just give a shout out to the incredible food, the pizzas. We were going to have pizza the night before at the event we were at on Friday night, and we decided, no, we know how good the pizza is at Scream Factory, and it's only £8 for a personal pizza, and it's so good. So if you come to Scream Factory, absolutely go and have some of their pizza afterwards. It's the best Scream Park pizza, and if there was an award for food at a Scream Park, they would get it for their pizza. There's obviously areas to have a drink, there's a bar, and it's just really chilled. So we absolutely loved it. The actors clearly enjoy it. They all came up and were talking to us afterwards, seeing if we'd had fun. And we just want to thank the team at Scream Factory again. We sprung it upon them. They didn't think we were coming this year, and we just told them at the last minute we were going to be there. And they made us feel so welcome, as they always do, but they put on such an incredible show. And if you've never been to Scream Factory, it is absolutely worth it. It's been running a long time now. It's really family owned. They're really passionate about what they do, and they put on an amazing show. So with that, we are going to sign off. Next time you'll see us, we'll probably be in the dark somewhere, and we will see you very soon.